calls for 2 breasts.
Okay, talk about it.
Breasts.
Don't rock it. It's
Doesn't-
perfect, huh?
Doesn't rock. Hello to all our subscribers, friends, and family. We were able to take the camper off the truck and set it level. We borrowed some bricks and pallets from the RV park. This made it much easier to run into town for groceries and supplies.
What is it?
The bottom.
I see.
right, yeah.
No need to put it down. What are
Yeah,
you
it is,
crazy?
because I don't want to step on it every time I get in, okay? Just leave it like that.
That
Fine.
is useless.
I know, it's out of the way. We don't want to step on the top of it every time we get
Go
in.
inside and then tell me if it rocks.
You want me to do it normally? Then I'm going to put it in.
Yeah, like the normal thing when you go inside. Is it rocking? You don't do it like that. Don't rock it. It's
Doesn't-
perfect, huh?
Doesn't rock.
Good job.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, this is wrong sim. It's your jacket. I'm trying to put this on. My wife made her delicious chicken pasta soup for me that evening.
Just gonna put the shredded chicken back to the pot. Because you want to cast it up or no?
Just follow the recipe. The pasta goes in.
Yeah.
You're going to use all that chicken? Oh, you got the on top of the pasta. Okay. There you go.
Oh, good. And then
What else got to go in there?
I'm gonna put the cream with cornstarch on it.
Isn't there supposed to be something green in there?
Spinach, but we do not have spinach, so
Why did we forget it? I saw the bags of spinach at the store.
yeah. This is a lot, huh?
Yeah, that's a lot. That's why I asked you why you're shredding so much chicken.
Oh, I mean, it calls for 2 breasts.
Okay, talk about it.
Breasts. We need 2 breasts
Right.
of chicken,
For
2 cups of, because we need to use all the chicken broth, because you know it'll be wasted if we do not use it for like.
So you're making a lot.
Yeah, but before it only like 2 meals, you know.
And now it's what, like 4 meals?
No, that one is 2 meals. Usually. This one is the cream with cornstarch in it. So you have to dissolve the cornstarch and then put it right there in the pot.
All right.
Is it kind of very common here that, because in the Philippines, we always eat rice for dinner, you know.
Right.
rice.
Well, pasta is more common here, that's for sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
I see. Well, you know, it's carbs, so
Oh, rice is carbs also. Honey.
yeah. The wood like right here, let me see.
Just pour it right in.
I think I did it right. Maybe I did it wrong, no more.
Is that enough liquid in there?
Yeah. It'll thicken later on. But we don't have spinach. Can we put broccoli? No?
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe next time we're gonna cook like half of it with broccoli.
Uh-huh.
And then but you're not fond of broccoli.
I like the spinach. We should have just got some.
So I'm just gonna like let it sit for like.
Did you put the sun-dried tomatoes in yet?
Yeah, I did. Can't you see the red? Oh, it's very little though, you know.
Maybe better add some more, huh?
You want to finish it all?
Yeah, let's do that.
me a sec. Sun-fried tomato. Can we make one like this? Like we got lots of tomatoes and then just sun-fried it like
Well, we need sun and we need a tomato garden.
that. Oh, tomatoes very, tomatoes, they're very easy to grow. And when they fruit, there's a bunch of them.
Don't forget we're nomadic and mobile, so we're not in a space where we can stop and
Now
grow.
look, I see. We can have pots,
We're in a very small space, and
I know. But we can make space.
we're not going to grow tomatoes on the road. We're going to buy tomatoes.
I see. Maybe we need to have chicken with us. Diba da? I already told you.
A live chicken?
I love chicken that lays eggs. Because eggs are so expensive nowadays.
Don't worry about it. Then just quit eating eggs. That's all.
I see. But you love eggs.
They're okay. I don't like the price lately.
You don't like the price? I don't like the price at all. They're so expensive. $10 for 12. Like a dozen.
What was it, like $7 for 12?
$7, yeah. But there's some that's $10, That is good.
All right.
Here's my husband, and he's making me a cocktail. We have the
Stoli vodka.
Stoli vodka,
Stolichnaya.
and this one is
1 teaspoon.
This is tablespoon.
Oh, tablespoon. Okay. Oh, I know it's the green one. That's the right one.
And you have like how many
2
tablespoons?
schnapps.
Just one?
1.
Oh. And this one is, what is that?
It's Mont Bison cassis.
Cassis?
Cream of cassis, which is blackberry.
How many tablespoons?
Just 1.
Just one? Well, one only though.
That gives it the purple.
Oh, I see. It's just for like color.
Flavor.
The flavor. I thought it's just for color campen. And then we get the
Orange juice.
orange juice.
Oops.
Do you be careful na da? One. That is wrong.
That's called free pour.
Just don't use this tablespoon. You're not following the instruction na da.
That's free pour, baby. You're gonna like it.
And we have
Cranberry juice.
cranberry juice. How many tablespoons?
3. That's it. And there be your cocktail.
Tail. And my cocktail. Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much.
Okay, and here we go.
Every Wednesday morning, this park offers low-cost propane tank refills.
Good morning. We're gonna go and fill up our tanks. In this RV park, they have their own propane refilling station. It's way cheaper compared to other stores. Yes, da?
Yep, that's right.
Which one?
Gauge on the tank.
Which tank are we using?
Well, we're using the full tank, of course. The inner tank is empty.
So you're just gonna go get the inner tank?
Yeah. There's no need to try to fill this one. Look at this gauge. It says full.
Okay then. Take the small one then. How many gallons does it carry? 5?
Yeah, they're 5-gallon tanks.
Okay, do you have cash?
I have some cash. We rely on propane for our heating and cooking, especially in this cold weather.
Very nice. How many gallons?
Yeah, there's a total of 10 gallons here.
10?
I'm kind of standing back. You got everything?
I got you, baby.
All right. Our camper has 2 5-gallon tanks, which usually last us about 2 weeks.
Do you need any help?
I think I got this. While draining our tanks, we discovered a small leak, so we decided to buy a new drain hose at Walmart. The new hose works very well.
Okay.
My wife cut my hair outside the camper and did a really good job. She's becoming very proficient at this. Later that afternoon, we had a plate of cheese, salami, and crackers, along with a glass of nice wine. Here's to our new sewer hose. And my fresh haircut.
Yep. Okay.
And our clean floor. Did a lot of good work today.
Enjoy your snack.
So we accomplished a lot today. We even filled our propane for only $2.75 a gallon here at the co-op.
Yeah, that's very nice, huh?
Yeah.
We don't need to drive kind of far from...
No. Now if we can just figure out how to get the water at the clubhouse, we'll be doing good.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep it real.